Hi everyone. All right, let's learn this new rhythm. So we know it is this right here. Now, we already know what the opposite was, which was when the 16th note was here. Okay? That's not what we're looking at today, but we know that this would be the number and then and up. Okay? So don't forget that. Now, let's look at this. So what this is broken down to is the same way we broke down that one. But all this is a 16th note plus a 16th note plus an 8th note. Okay? Pretty simple. We know that this is a quarter of a beat, this is a quarter of a beat, and we know this is half a beat. Well, when we simplify this, a quarter plus a quarter equals a half plus a half equals 1. So we know this whole thing is one beat. Well, what did we say to represent that one beat? That's what we need to break down now. So we'll leave that up there. We need to go back to our 4/16 notes. This is where pretty much all of our bases are. So our 4/16 notes are here. Okay? We know the first one gets the number, then we have E, then we have and then we have All right, now, the first two notes are 16th notes, so guess what? That are the first two 16th notes of 4/16 notes. So we have the beat number, and then E, and then just like a regular single eighth note, if we have paired eighth notes, the second eighth note gets and we know that it's a single eighth note, so it's just and. Okay, so now let's apply it to a set of rhythms. Okay, so let's see. All right, we need to figure out the time signature as well. So we know the first one gets the beat number. To begin with, we get number 1. Then the second 16th note is E. The 8th note is and. We know this is paired 8th note, so we know the first 8th note gets the beat number, which is 2, because 2 comes after 1. We know it's and. We know this is a quarter note, which gets 1 beat, which is next is 3. Comes after 3 for another quarter note is 4. Then we start with it. Then we have a bar line, so we know we have to start over with 1. So we got 4 beats in that measure. Let's make sure that that is correct. Starting over at 1, this is a beat by itself. We know that's beat number 1. Then we have a quarter rest, which gets a full beat by itself, but no sound. 2, what comes after 2? 3. Now we have that new rhythm again. So the first 16th note gets the beat number, so 3. The second 16th note is E, and that 8th note is and. And then we know that the last quarter note is a full beat by itself. We already have 1, 2, 3, which makes us 4. And so our time signature is 4/4. Now, the way this sounds like this. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? That's simple. All right, just think of your 16th notes. 16th notes are really the way of life in music. Good luck, guys. Bye.